All right, let's go get a lawnmower.
All right.
All right, guys. So today we're gonna go get a lawnmower.
Yes.
All right.
Because our
no, our weeds.
weeds, yes.
Our grass is still brown and dead because
yeah.
the Bermuda Georgia blend that they have is just the last to green up. However, the weeds are coming up in it, and we bought some stuff to kill the weeds, but they say that we have to wait until our 4th cutting before we put it on the lawn, and by that time the weeds are going to be over Roceyl's head. I know that's not very tall, but they're growing fast. So when you look at this, it's really quite nasty out here. They're really starting to come up, oh, quite a bit taller here than the rest of the grass. Yeah, and it goes all the way to the backyard over here, and as you can see, our back neighbors are getting a new fence. So all right, with that being said, let's go get a lawnmower. Okay, do you know what kind we're getting? We're getting a DeWalt.
DeWalt? Okay.
Electric lawnmower. You know why?
Yeah.
Because I don't want you to have to worry about gasoline or pulling it or whatever. And I know I shouldn't say that because I should be the one cutting the grass, but I know you're impatient. Well, I know what's going to happen is you're going to wind up being in the house and you're going to go, you know what? I know he's going to cut the grass tonight. I can't wait.
All right.
All right, let's go get a lawnmower.
All right.
All right, we got it right there. And of course, along with that, since we came to Home Depot, hey Stephanie, somebody had to get orchids, and we got a box of sweet potatoes. So, all right, Stephanie, can you can you help me get this box loaded up, girl? Maybe, maybe not. All right, I'm gonna need your help getting this in the car. Okay. All right. Cannot wait to get home and open this up. Well, it barely fit, but it's in there. All right, you ready to go home and open this up?
Sure.
All right, let's do it. All right, guys. So yesterday we bought our lawnmower, and it is this DeWalt 20-volt max self-propelled mower. All right, and so what we're going to do right now is I'm going to hand the camera to you, and I'm going to have you film me unbox this. I'm going to get it put together because it's supposed to be super simple, just a couple things that need to be put together.
Yeah.
And then we have a couple of batteries here that I've already charged. They are the FlexVolt 6-hour batteries. That way we don't have to worry about trying to charge the batteries that are inside there and waiting on those to go. We're just going to be able to put it together and get it rolling. And then you get to practice cutting the grass.
Oh yeah, I've never done that.
You've never done a push mower. You did a riding lawnmower,
The riding, yes.
Yeah, but you've never done a push one.
Yes.
Okay, all right, well, why don't you come on over here and film me as I open this up, okay?
Sure.
All right. All right.
We got 2
check it out. My knife
Babies.
actually did make a couple little scratches here.
Oh, wow.
Actually,
Hey.
no, it didn't. My knife didn't go down that direction. That's not for me.
Yes, it's
This
your
one
knife.
might be, but this one's not, because I only went down through it once.
Okay.
Anyway, regardless. All right, so here is our bag of goodies, which is, this will go on the side to direct the grass clippings out the side. These are the knobs that we need to take and put on here. That will actually have
for the handle.
And then we have 1 battery charger and 2 battery chargers, because there's 2 batteries.
Wow, this is awesome.
All right, I'm going to set those in the back of the car here for now.
There you go.
And we have the
Basket.
oh, actually, we have the 2 batteries right here.
Oh, wow.
And then we have the grass catching basket. And we'll have to figure out how to get that put together. I don't think it's going to be terribly difficult, but
no, it won't.
yeah. I think this goes on the outside like that.
We'll figure out later.
Yeah, we'll look at that in a little bit. Let me put that in there for now. All right. And now,
that's the actual.
this is the whole thing. 70 pounds.
Is it really 70 pounds?
That's what you say.
It looks light on me.
All right.
Oh, yeah, there's a zip.
Yeah, we got a zip tie right here. I think you're gonna like this, huh?
Oh, yeah. And I'm ready right now. I'm wearing my boots.
You're ready to cut grass,
Yes.
are you? All right. That side slipped off easy, but this one here's hung on there a bit.
And Billy is talking back there. They're in the cart because we don't want them getting in something inside the house. So we put them in the cart and keep them close to us.
Yeah, this has a little self-stick on the inside of it. So it's actually stuck to the pole on this side. That side just pulled right off.
It's alright, you get the knife.
There.
Whoa.
And I believe, yeah, these have to pop out like that.
Okay.
And then we can
Well, you
lift
have
it up.
to
Now I
put
have to
the
get the
light
pieces
in.
to put into this. But anyway,
Yeah.
we can go ahead and lift this up.
That is awesome. I think it will lock if you push.
Put it down. See
There
the
you
holes
go.
right there?
Yeah.
It'll twist right into
There
it.
are 2 holes. This is adjustable, I think. Yeah.
Right. Okay.
And you want me to hold that while you get this stuff?
Trying to see if it'll hold by itself, but probably not.
No.
Yeah, just hang on to that.
Giggle. Hi, Billy. Say hi.
Okay, this right here is the key, and what that does is, it literally is a key. You have to put it in to get it to start. If you don't have this in here, then the kids won't be able to come over here and start up the lawnmower. So,
All right, that's awesome.
all right.
All right, start 2. There you go. Oh, I love the sun.
It's a nice day out here today.
Yeah, it's not too hot. And it's not cold. Are you alright? I think it's reverse, babe.
Right there. All right.
Good job.
That's it for that side.
Let me.
Yeah, I got this now.
Okay.
Billy.
It's alright. We need to move
Has he got
them.
sun in his eyes? All right.
Alright, I'll move the babies.
Okay, you do that while I get this together.
Hello guys. Oh my goodness. Okay. Unlock this. Alright, ready? Boom boom. Yay, we're gonna move.
Alright, we are together.
Put you on the shade, okay? There you go.
I'm gonna flip this over just to make sure that there's nothing on the blade or anything that needs to be taken off. Nope, it's ready to go. This really feels solid.
Yeah,
it really does.
So can we adjust it to make it more lower? Yeah.
I don't see a way to do that. I mean, there's only one fitting there on that, so yeah, I'll have to research a little bit more on that. But
or make it lower this in the second hole.
We can definitely drop that down.
Yeah.
Down, down. There we go. There's one. Down. Let go, hon. Okay, there it is. All right, and the batteries are going to go in here.
Okay.
So let me grab those. We'll put them in.
Hi, what are you talking about? Huh? Shake, shake, shake. Say hi. Hi, Billy. Hi, Stephanie. All right, we'll be done here in a minute, okay?
All right. So.
Oh, okay. So batteries.
Yeah, the batteries go right in here.
Okay.
Just like that. Okay. Easy, and you have to have 2 batteries in this to run it.
Okay.
And we have to have the key. So let me grab the key.
So are those extra batteries?
Yeah, those are the ones that came with it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm using ones that I already had because I don't want to wait to charge those right now.
Oh, okay, so that's ours.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so anyway, the key goes up in here. All right.
And then
you pull this back. And you should just have to lift up on this. Maybe.
I think you have to do some.
Oh, here, that's it. This is for the self-propelled. So this is so anyway, this is for the self-propelled. So when you lift this up, then the wheels will actually turn in the front to help you guide it along. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to push down on this and lift this up to start it. It's got to be all the way up here. And then you can pull on this and it will self-propel along.
We need the bag.
Huh?
We need the bag.
No, we don't. Actually, it'll just spit it out down on the bottom. So,
okay.
All right, there you go for it. You got this, right?
Okay. Press this.
Yeah, press that down. Okay. Press. There we go, and then lift that all the way up. There you go. Then? You're gonna have to try it again. Okay. Let it get up to speed. Hold that black button down. Pull that bar up. Let it get up to speed first. Good. Now let go of that hand. There you go.